The DNTINTALGT 650 motorcycle 2026 has arrived as a model that continues to redefine the standards of mid-range motorcycles with a perfect balance between performance, comfort, style, and practicality. Riders have long been waiting for an upgrade that feels both evolutionary and revolutionary, and this machine delivers just that. Designed with modern engineering while respecting classic inspiration, it stands as one of the most talked about motorcycles of the year. The 650cc segment has always been competitive, but this motorcycle manages to stand out with its refinement, power delivery, and upgraded features that appeal equally to enthusiasts and daily riders. When looking at the performance side, the DNTINTALGT 650 comes with a liquid-cooled, parallel twin engine that produces smooth and consistent power across the rev range. The throttle response is crisp, making it an excellent choice for city rides, highway cruising, and even occasional spirited runs through twisty roads. With around 47 to 52 horsepower depending on regional specifications, it hits the sweet spot for riders who want enough performance without being intimidating. The torque curve is tuned for usability, delivering strong low and mid-range performance which makes overtaking and climbing uphill sections effortless. Fuel injection has been refined further to enhance efficiency while keeping throttle inputs precise, ensuring that the ride feels engaging and predictable every time. The gearbox is a 6-speed unit that shifts smoothly with well-spaced ratios for versatile riding conditions. A slipper clutch has been included for easier gear changes and to prevent rear-wheel lockups during aggressive downshifting. Riders will immediately notice the lightness of the clutch lever, which reduces fatigue during stop-and-go traffic. The exhaust note is another highlight, tuned to deliver a throaty growl without being excessively loud. It retains a distinctive character that many motorcyclists appreciate, providing a sense of connection between the rider and machine. In terms of design, the DNTINTALGT 650 strikes a balance between retro styling cues and modern detailing. The round LED headlamp at the front gives it a classic appeal, while the DRLs and indicators carry a modern finish. The fuel tank has a sculpted design that not only looks premium but also allows better knee grip for stability during rides. The seat has been designed with both comfort and practicality in mind, making long-distance touring more enjoyable. The rear end is kept minimalistic, giving it a clean profile, and the overall build quality feels premium with high-quality paintwork, chrome touches, and durable materials used throughout. Riders will appreciate the thoughtful ergonomics with slightly rear-set foot pegs and a wide handlebar that ensures a relaxed yet engaging riding posture. Suspension duties are handled by telescopic forks at the front and twin shock absorbers at the rear. These components have been tuned for a blend of comfort and control, soaking up bumps and potholes while maintaining stability at higher speeds. The suspension setup is forgiving enough for daily commutes but also firm enough to inspire confidence during cornering. Braking performance is delivered by disc brakes on both wheels, paired with dual-channel ABS for added safety. The braking system offers strong bite and progressive feel, allowing riders to modulate braking easily even in tricky conditions. Safety has been a priority in the 2026 update, and the inclusion of modern ABS ensures riders feel secure in emergency situations. The wheels and tires are well suited for both city and highway use. With alloy wheels that offer strength and style, the bike comes shod with tubeless tires that provide better grip and reduce the risk of sudden deflation. The tire profile ensures stability at high speeds and responsive handling when leaning into corners. This combination enhances rider confidence whether maneuvering through traffic or exploring open highways. Technology has become an essential part of modern motorcycles, and the DNTINTALGT 650 embraces it without going overboard. The instrument cluster is a semi-digital unit that offers a clean and easy-to-read layout. Riders get access to information such as speed, tachometer, fuel level, gear position, trip meters, and even smartphone connectivity in some variants. Bluetooth integration allows riders to receive call alerts, navigation prompts, and music control on the go, making the riding experience more practical for everyday use. Some higher trims may also include ride modes that fine-tune throttle response and traction control depending on conditions. Comfort has been one of the main focuses in the design of the 2026 model. The seat cushioning has been improved, and the ergonomics have been optimized for riders of different heights. Even pillion comfort has been enhanced with a wider and better padded seat, along with well-positioned footrests. The riding triangle ensures that the rider does not feel cramped during longer journeys, which makes this motorcycle equally suitable for daily commutes and weekend touring. The fuel tank capacity has been increased slightly, allowing for longer distances between refueling stops, which is a huge plus for those who love touring. When it comes to fuel efficiency, the DNTINTALGT 650 offers a respectable mileage figure considering its engine capacity. With advancements in fuel injection and weight optimization, it manages to strike a good balance between performance and economy. Riders can expect efficient fuel consumption during relaxed cruising while still having the ability to unleash performance when desired. The range is further enhanced by the improved fuel tank capacity, making it a reliable companion for long-distance riders. Build quality is one area where the motorcycle shines. The fit and finish have been improved significantly over earlier versions. High-grade metals, durable plastics, and premium switchgear contribute to an overall impression of reliability and robustness. Paint quality is deep and resistant to fading, ensuring the motorcycle retains its appeal even after years of use. Maintenance has been simplified, with longer service intervals and easier access to key components, which is a relief for owners who prefer lower running costs. On the road, the motorcycle feels planted and stable at all times. The frame has been engineered to provide a balance between rigidity and flexibility, which translates into predictable handling. Whether cruising at high speeds on highways or navigating tight urban corners, the motorcycle remains responsive and confidence-inspiring. The weight distribution is well managed, and despite being a mid-weight motorcycle, it feels manageable even for relatively new riders. Customization potential is another exciting aspect of the DNTINTALGT 650. The brand has ensured that riders can personalize their machines with a wide range of accessories. Options include touring windscreens, luggage racks, saddlebags, performance exhausts, crash guards, and custom seats. This flexibility allows owners to tailor the bike to their riding style, whether they prefer daily commuting, long-distance touring, or styling upgrades. From a pricing perspective, the motorcycle is expected to be highly competitive in its segment. While offering premium features and a powerful engine, it remains accessible to a wide range of buyers. The value for money proposition is strong, especially considering the brand's reputation for durability and reliability. Riders who are upgrading from smaller displacement motorcycles will find it to be an excellent step up without being overwhelming. Community feedback and early reviews highlight the versatility of the DNTINTALGT 650. Riders have praised its smooth engine, comfortable ergonomics, stylish design, and reliable performance. Many see it as a motorcycle that blends everyday usability with weekend excitement, which makes it a practical choice for a broad audience. The 2026 updates have only refined an already well-rounded package, making it one of the most desirable motorcycles in the mid-weight class. In conclusion, the DNTINTALGT 650 Motorcycle 2026 is a machine that successfully combines classic appeal with modern technology. It offers engaging performance, dependable handling, practical features, and strong value, making it a motorcycle that appeals to both new and experienced riders. From its refined engine and comfortable ergonomics to its premium design and advanced features, it checks nearly all the boxes that riders look for in a middleweight motorcycle. Whether it is for daily commutes, long-distance rides, or simply enjoying the pure pleasure of motorcycling, this bike delivers consistently. It stands as a solid choice in the 650cc category, proving once again that motorcycles can be both stylish and practical while offering an unforgettable riding experience.